This is the video guide that will provide you with instructions that will help you to remove the adware called ThrillAlgorithm. So ThrillAlgorithm is a new adware that actually belongs to the adload family. This ThrillAlgorithm adware mainly attack Mac computers. This adware acts in a very aggressive manner. Once installed, it starts displaying the tremendous amount of pretty intrusive ads that are not related to the sites that you visit. These ads, if you click on them, may point you to many other shady and deceptive pages, and because of that, your computer may eventually be infected with some other potentially unwanted applications. Anyway, to summarize the above said information, ThrillAlgorithm is not a good application for your Mac, and if you have found its presence on your computer, make sure you get rid of it. So, on your Mac, check your Finder, check your applications. When you find this ThrillAlgorithm, right-click on it and choose the option to move it to the trash. If you see any other suspicious software, don't hesitate to move it to the trash too. Finally, I would also recommend that you thoroughly investigate your system with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. It will help you to detect and delete all other threats which could possibly still remain on your device. You may get Combo Cleaner on this official page, combocleaner.com. Download it, install it. Then start the application and begin thoroughly researching and investigating your device to detect and eliminate all other threats which could possibly still remain on your computer. After you successfully download and install Combo Cleaner, this is the way it looks like. By the way, Combo Cleaner is available both for Mac and for Windows computers. Combo Cleaner is initially in the trial mode, so click on Start Combo Scan button. First of all, the program should update its anti-malware database for proper detection and removal of any malware. Even in the trial mode, there are certain free features. They are Disk Cleaner, Big Files, and Duplicates. Even these three free features will help you to essentially improve the performance and the general speed of your computer. Combo Cleaner is powerful enough to detect and delete threats like adware, browser hijackers, ransomware, all sorts of unwanted pop-ups, browser redirections, online scam, and other threats. At the end of the scanning, you will see the full summary of all the threats which were found. You will be able to know their locations, but I recommend that you consider upgrading to Premium as the best solution to keep your computer free of any other threats.